Imagine if your phone, your smart speaker, your smartwatch all spoke different languages. To make them work together, you'd need a translator or a handshake protocol every single time. That's the problem AI agents faced a while ago. They didn't have a common language to talk to tools and apps. Let's say you built a smart assistant with ChatGPT. It can answer your emails, create summaries, or schedule meetings. But the moment you wanted to talk to a tool, say Google Calendar or Gmail, you would need to write custom code every single time. But then, Model Context Protocol, or as we like to call it, MCP, came into the picture. Think of MCP like USB-C for AI agents. Before USB, every device had its own cable. Total chaos. But now, one USB port fits all. MCP does the same for AI. It gives AI agents one common way to connect to everything, whether it's a Google Drive, your local files, or a payment app. MCP is a lightweight protocol, a rulebook. It defines how tools describe themselves to an AI agent. And because every tool follows the same format, an AI agent can plug into any tool, even if it has never seen it before. Imagine you had a super smart assistant like Jarvis from Iron Man, but for your daily life. You say, "Hey, what does my day look like?" And the AI responds, "You've got a client call at 10 a.m. on Zoom, groceries are running low, do you want to reorder? And oh, your rent receipt is due. I have already emailed it to your landlord." No human intervention needed, everything is done by the AI agent. But here's the catch. Before MCPs, for an AI to do that, it needed to learn how to use Zoom, Swiggy, Google Calendar, Gmail, all separately. That means tons of custom code, plugins, and testing for each app. Now imagine all those tools spoke the same language. Every app tells the AI, "Hey AI, this is how you schedule a meeting with me. Here's how to reorder groceries. And this is how to send an email." And the result, your AI assistant doesn't need to be trained from scratch for every tool. With MCP, it can just plug into each one and start working instantly. That's what MCP unlocks. Not just smart answers, but smart actions across your digital life. This means developers can build tools once, and every AI agent, no matter how it's built, can understand it. And users, you'll finally get agents that do real tasks, like magic. So next time you hear someone say MCP, just remember, it's the universal language that lets AI agents truly get things done, like USB but for your AI. Simple, isn't it?